Just got done finishing everything, and I just put the whole thing back together. I slapped on my extra hard drive I had, and here we go again. Gonna work inside there? Success. And there's my other one. It's freaking sweet. And now that you know this one's working, I'm gonna walk over to this one, and I'm gonna plug in the AV cable really fast. Hold on. So lay that down, and I'm gonna come around here and pull this in. And now you can see that both of my Xboxes are working. Oh, hold on. One second. Unplug the power on it. Alright, there you go. Now power's on. And there's the Xbox. Kaboom. For some reason this one takes longer to start up, but it still works. I already played games on it and whatnot. And yeah, that's my whole episode of getting 2 Xboxes, for one for $10, one for $400, or however it was when it first came out. But I'm a happy person, so